In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress application in new website in Namecheap hosting. So let's get started with the video process. Once we log into Namecheap account, we need to click the profile name in the top bar, and again click the dashboard from this menu. Next, we need to click hosting list in the left side of the dashboard. And here, we need to click this button to enter Cpanel settings page. Here, in Cpanel settings page, we need to enter the WordPress section to install WordPress in new site. Here, you can see couple of WordPress sites I have set up in Namecheap hosting. To install WordPress application, we need to click the install button. And next, we need to select the website domain in which we want to install WordPress. Here, we need to fill in all the information for the installation in new site. Like the admin name for the website, which is the username to log in and edit the WordPress site once installed in the site domain. Here, we need to enter the login password along with a valid email account to manage the site as an admin. And next, we need to add the site name and brief description of the site. Finally, we need to click the install button below, which will start the WordPress application installation in the new site domain. And done, we can click the site URL link here to confirm the site's installation. The WordPress application has been set up in the website successfully. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.